If Discord is stuck on no route or RTC connecting, don't worry. This usually means your network is blocking the connection to Discord's voice servers, and in this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, the quickest thing you can do is restart your router and your computer. This sounds basic, but it often fixes temporary network problems that stop Discord from connecting properly. Power off your router, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on and let it fully reconnect. After that, restart your computer as well. Once everything is back online, open Discord again and check whether the RTC connecting message is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to flush your DNS cache on Windows. Sometimes your device stores old or broken network information, and that can interfere with Discord's voice connection. To do this, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, and run it as an administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, close the command prompt and try Discord again. Now let's move to another common fix, because corrupted Discord cache files can also cause connection drops and make the app behave strangely. Open Discord and click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open user settings. In the left-hand menu, find and click Voice and Video. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that page, and you'll see the option to Reset Voice and Video Settings. Click it to restore the voice settings back to default. This can clear out bad configuration data that may be causing the no route error. Once the reset is complete, restart Discord and test a voice channel again. If you can join normally, then the issue was likely caused by a bad network cache or a damaged voice setting. If not, go back and make sure your router is working properly, your internet connection is stable, and Windows is fully up to date. The good news is that in many cases, one of these simple steps will fix the problem without needing anything complicated. Restarting your router and PC, flushing DNS, and resetting Discord's voice settings are the most reliable first steps when you see no route or RTC connecting. If this video helped you fix Discord, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.